Hi, I'm Hannah. I thought we could do a quick get ready with me date video with no foundation and on acne skin because clearly I'm breaking out and I need to get ready in an hour to look good. We're gonna start off with this Tower 28 spray and this beautiful Cocoa Kind moisturizer. Again, I'm like super acne prone. When it's that time of the month, I start to really flare up. And since I'm super acne prone, I need something like super non-comedogenic and really lightweight. And I really like this combo right now. And these are my tested and tried and true holy grails. I love these so much and they're really affordable. So yay! Yeah, all my stuffers in here. I'm getting ready in the living room right now because there's no light in my room. We're gonna get ready with no foundation and it's an important day because my boyfriend and I hit our 7-year anniversary today, which is insane because I still feel like we literally met each other like yesterday and I can't believe that was 7 years ago. So yeah, we met in high school, but we have known each other since middle school, which is kind of insane. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm using this Tower 28 concealer to just kind of spread around my face like it's a BB cream because it's super lightweight. And you know it's hormonal when all my acne is going straight to my chin. And I just want to not cover, but just enhance my current skin state. I don't want to just like cover everything and be ashamed of my acne. Lightly covering it over. Just to make myself look healthy, you know? I feel like a lot of the redness just kind of look like inflammation, which make it look not so healthy. So we're just gonna stick with this. I'm gonna go get sushi today and I thought it'd be really fun to bring you guys along with me on this beautiful date night. I don't know, like it feels like we met each other like yesterday. Like I can't believe 7 years just went by like that. NARS Creamy Pot Concealer is one of my favorites, non-comedogenic. It is really thick, but when you apply it onto your skin, it literally just makes the pimple go away. Like look at that. I love it so much and I just do like a really thick layer, but then I'll blend it out so it's really even, just like that. It just literally makes the acne go away and I'll just blend it with a brush. And I'm not gonna cover up like some of the freckles and acne scars that I have because like, I think it kind of just gives a little bit of like life and personality to my face. But yeah, anyways, we knew each other since middle school, but we didn't really talk to each other till like end of high school. So then we started dating end of senior year, going into college. But the thing is like we long distance in college because I went to UC Davis and he went to UC Irvine. So that was kind of rough, but then COVID happened and we were able to hang out at home again. I always forget what I'm saying by the time I'm on my next step. What did I say? 2.5 years we had to long distance and then COVID happened. So I think like the last year we actually did have to go. So 1 year we had time together back at home, which was awesome. And here we are. Through thick and thin, we were able to be in a relationship. And a lot of you guys asked me for a boyfriend reveal, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing that anytime because he really values his privacy. But I also kind of value when my personal life and my work life are separated. Like I don't want to involve him when he doesn't want to. So that's why you guys get Lauren instead. Because Lauren, I had to force her to be in my videos. This is the brow combo I'm doing today. It's the Benefit Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5 and then their brow gel. And yeah, this is how I usually do my makeup for days like this where I don't really want to cover too much of my face. Because I love using foundation only when I have to use like a full glam when I go out on my events and stuff like that. But today it's just me and him, so we're gonna keep it casual. My beautiful purple blush, which is one of my favorite blushes. You guys know I am the queen of purple blush. Yes, I put all my friends on purple blush. Ta-da! And I just feel like it just looks so beautiful on everyone. This is one of my favorite shades in drama class. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my cheeks. I feel like purple blush is really awesome because it looks very good on warm tones because it kind of just counteracts with the yellow and then it gives a nice baby pink shade onto the cheeks. I love how natural and flush it looks. And next I'm going to use this beautiful Urban Decay eyeliner. I feel like Urban Decay has low-key been coming back because I feel like a lot of their products are just like such beautiful classics. Lately I've been really liking to do a really messy under eye like this and then I'll just kind of like smoke it out. But yeah, I like to keep my relationship pretty private. It's not like weird or anything, it's just like he's not a social media guy and I'm not gonna force that upon him. So I know a lot of you guys asked for a face reveal, but I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. Respectfully. And just do a little clamp at the bottom, middle, and top for that perfect lash lift. I just want to enhance my features and make myself feel good, you know? We live together now, which is crazy because I never thought that was gonna happen, but it's been awesome. I know a lot of people are skeptical living with their significant other, which scared me too, but honestly things have been going really well. I feel like because we've known each other for so long, we kind of get each other's like lifestyle and how we are with each other. So I've had literally like no issue. He cleans when I don't want to clean, and I'll clean when he wants to clean, or I'll clean when he doesn't want to clean. And if I don't feel like cooking, he'll cook for me. When he doesn't feel like cooking, I'll cook for him. I feel like we have a really good system. And by the way, I just used the Rhode lip liner in the shade Lunge. I really like this shade. I feel like it's a perfect My Lips So Better shade for me. But yeah, I feel like we have a really good system going, and fingers crossed we've had no issues. But I don't want to jinx myself. This is also why I don't like posting my relationship stuff on social media, because I feel like once it goes public, it just becomes public. Bless you! This is Benetint lip tint, and I really like this shade. This is one of my favorite shades that they have. This is the dark cherry tinted lip balm shade, because I don't really like the red one. I feel like it's too red for me, but I love this dark cherry shade. Sorry, I keep like looking out the window. I'm like making sure people are not staring at me filming this. Last but not least, I'm going to use this Peri Para lip product. This is actually new. I have not opened this yet. Oh, that is darker than... What does it smell? It's darker than I thought it was going to be. Ooh, wait. I'm kind of like giving vampire with my new hair and like the blood red lips. And like, I look so pale with my darker hair, don't I? Like... I'm gonna give myself some freckles so I look a little more alive. But see, you don't have to do too much when you don't have foundation, guys. Like, it looks really natural and super, you know, kind of girl next door with your imperfections peeking through. Yay! I really like that. And lastly, I kind of want to try this. This is like the Hourglass palette. I've never really tried Hourglass. Like, oh, this palette before. I don't have a brush. The only thing I have is this eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna try this and just put a little bit on my nose, just for that nice gleaming highlight. Okay, I said last but not least, but this is actually last but not least. I got this Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette, and I really want to try it. I've been really dying to try it, Patrick Ta out. And they sent me this eyeshadow palette, so I'm super excited. That looks beautiful! I feel like with this kind of packaging, like I'm so scared to touch it because like the fingerprints, like it's already getting really dirty. But let's see what this looks like. Wait, it's broken. Okay, that kind of sucks. I'm gonna just use that. It's, oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's like really sparkly. I think it went in my eye. I just noticed there's a section of the palette. I think it's a cream. Whoa, I've never seen that. That's really cool, actually. Oh, that's really pretty. I just wish this wasn't broken because now it's giving me a kind of a hard time. But I'm gonna use this and kind of go over my lash line. It's darkening this area. Yeah, I like that. It's giving sultry date night vampire vibes. Okay, this is the beautiful makeup look. I feel like I really like my hair. You know, there's like pops of red on my lips. No foundation. Beautiful purple blush on my cheeks. Now I'm ready to go. What do you guys think? I look so pale. I guess like the winter fall is coming out. Okay, well, yeah, bye. Bye. Okay guys, this is my outfit for today. I did not go fancy. Just wearing a t-shirt and some jeans, and decided to wear my glasses. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is the outfit. yeah, I just want to go a little comfy since I'm eating. Make sure there's like breathing room here, you know what I'm saying? I should have a lip gloss in my pocket, but I forgot. But yeah, we're gonna go out and eat some sushi, and then I'll show you guys what we eat.
Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha no alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da cirá.